The Meghalaya Cabinet, in its meeting held today, approved the regularization of around 1,000 nurses who had been serving on an ad hoc basis prior to December 2007. The decision, which follows the same policy adopted in 2022 for other ad hoc employees, was taken to bring these nurses under the Meghalaya Nursing Service as staff nurses and auxiliary nurse midwives. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that the regularization aligns with a previous Supreme Court ruling that allowed the government to confirm the service of employees appointed before December 2007. He added that the Health Department had recently submitted a list of eligible nurses under this category, prompting the Cabinet's approval. In another key decision, the state government sanctioned the release of Rs 79.5 crore to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council for the payment of employees' salaries. The move aims to address pending salary issues and ensure the smooth functioning of the council.
We have also cleared an amount of 79.5 crores to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council today. Out of which about 11 crores is their dues, which is there right now with us, and the rest of the 68.5 crores is an advance we're giving towards their share of royalty from the future. And so 79.5 crores has been sanctioned and money has been released to the escrow account. As you all know, an escrow account is a fancy name, but it's an account which is in a way meant to be very, very particular for the salary disbursement, and an account which will be obviously, as I said, monitored in a manner so that the funds are used only for the salary purpose. So this has been done, and with this amount, the district council now will be in a position to release the 12 months backlog for their employees. I want to make it very clear, as I said, the decision is very, very simple and very clear that this is not an additional amount that we're giving to them. This is an amount that is going from their own share. We are adjusting in the future the advance that we're giving to them. So this is their money. This is from their share, which we're releasing in advance. And the only condition that we have put is that we want a principal secretary to be there to monitor this finance so that it is not misused or diverted for any other purpose but for salaries. And that's why the escrow account has been opened, which will be meant and dealt by the district council. Nobody is going to run this account except the district council and the officials there.
Meanwhile, the Chief Minister clarified the government's position on uranium mining activities in the state. He stated that while there may have been informed complaints regarding such activities, no official complaints have been received so far. However, he asserted that if such activities are found to be taking place, the Meghalaya government would take firm steps to oppose and prevent them.
There is no any kind of activity or any kind of evidence or any kind of information that has to reflect that any kind of such activity is going on. Leaders in responsible positions should not just come out with statements just because they want to grab attention or maybe just make a statement. If it is the case, then definitely it's a matter of concern. And if it is so, let him come out with the details and the proof. And definitely, if there is any such problem that's happening, Government of Meghalaya will be the first one to act on it. I have made our position very clear that we are very firm that uranium mining should not take place. And there could be situations where some incidents could be there which may not have come to the notice of the government. So if there is, and if the evidence is there, and if information is there, then please give that to us, and we'd be more than happy to act and take necessary action on it.